No, it plays Tokyo.
I'm Tado. This is the Cebu International Convention Center. This is where the ASEAN leaders were gonna meet and talk in December. But the building is not yet finished. As I walk by the seaside, as I walk by the gate, I hear little bluebirds making love while I wait. All round I heard, and the music don't play. I want to go and love. Hi, I'm in Cebu. On my background is the statue of Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu is the brave man who fought Magellan. Lapu-Lapu. Here on 27 April 1521, Lapu-Lapu and his men repulsed the Spanish invaders. Battle by battle, they fought again. They baxed, they swords, canyon versus bamboo woods, killing their leader Ferdinand Magellan. Thus, Lapu-Lapu became the first Filipino to have repelled the European aggression. This is a very big painting. It trickles on my mind. I just wonder, who is Magellan and where's Lapu-Lapu? It's very abstract to me. This is Lapu-Lapu by night. What a masculine man. Hi guys, I'm Tado. I'm in Larsan in Cebu. Let's check it out. Bay, unsa mo ni Bay? Anong Larsan ba yung tawag sa lugar nani? Barbecue. So kanang Larsan, barbecue na? Kaibaw ka ba ng ASEAN integration? Adi sila. Ya, unsa may tawag sa ani? Kanon. Kanon eh. Nga namang magkinahanglan gud ta magkanang mga trade-in goods, trade-in service nya, trade-in kwan. Sawan. Ha? Pwede na may istorya pa. Unsa ninyo ba paghimo ka ng barbecue ba? Step by step ba?
Una, hiwain.
Huwain.
Hugasan.
Hugasan. Timpla.
Barbecue stick.
Barbecue stick. Unsa man na smoke heaven ba na o hell?
Smoke filching.
Smoke. Tagpila ba ang kwan diri bangus?
Depende man na sa size.
Size?
Oo.
Yang ano mang kinahanglan gud mag bilateral agreement.
Kanang depende bitaw sa size. Natural.
Size.
Oo.
Ang presyo bilateral agreement na.
Oh, mao na.
Manong, magtukar ka ani. Kisa man buhat ani. Ikaw ra gid mag-usa magbuhat. Kaibaw ka ba ng ASEAN integration? Kaya sa pagkaibaw nimo sa ASEAN Summit?
Meeting man na siya.
Meeting na. Nya unsa man ang ila pagmitingan sa meeting?
Partitingay sa trade.
Par-
Trade sa Philippines.
Unsa barang lami ba kanang ASEAN integration o kanang barbecue?
Lami gyud ang barbecue.
Lami ang barbecue. Parinti ba nimo si atoy ko?
Adi, pareha ra mi buhok.
Wow! Kaibaw ka ba ng ASEAN integration? Wala.
You know, Aristotle, Alexander the Great.
I know, European. Magellan.
Magellan. Magellan.
Ay, Magellan!
Lapu-Lapu forever.
Right. European.
Thank you, Dutch, so much.